Have you ever wondered how video games come to life? Game engines are the heart of this process. Today, we'll explore what game engines are and how they function, focusing on Unity and Unreal Engine. Game engines are software frameworks used to create video games. They provide tools to build, design, and run games. Unity and Unreal are two of the most popular engines. They each have unique features and strengths. Let's break down how these engines work. First, both engines help developers create 2D and 3D environments. This is where the game world is built. Next, both engines provide scripting systems. This allows developers to write code that defines game behavior. Unity primarily uses CR, while Unreal mostly uses C++. Another important aspect is the asset management system. This is where developers organize images, sounds, and animations. Assets are essential for game development. Next is the rendering engine. This part of the engine handles the visuals, transforming 3D models into stunning graphics. Unity uses a powerful lightweight render pipeline, while Unreal is known for its high-quality visuals with the Unreal Engine 5. Physics is another critical component. Game engines simulate real-world physics. This makes actions like jumping or falling feel realistic. Unity has a built-in physics engine, while Unreal uses the powerful PhysX system. Now let's look at real-world examples. Imagine creating a simple 2D game in Unity. You start with a blank canvas. Use the Asset Manager to import characters and backgrounds. Then write scripts to control character movement. In Unreal, you could build a stunning 3D environment. Use pre-made assets from the marketplace. With blueprints, you can visually script interactions without writing complex code. Both engines allow for cross-platform development. This means you can create games for PCs, consoles, or mobile devices. It's easier to reach a wider audience. To summarize, game engines like Unity and Unreal simplify game development. They provide essential tools, scripting, and visuals. Understanding how they work can empower budding developers. Ready to start your game development journey? Learn more about game engines and try creating your first game. Subscribe for more tutorials and share your progress in the comments. Happy developing!